Good morning, my dear student. Welcome you in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School. Today we are discussed about the contemporary ruler of Rajasthan. First ruler of Rajasthan was we discussed about the ruler of Amir or Nan about Rao Sekha. In previous video, we studied about Mughal administration and about the Mughal rulers. In today, we discuss cooperation and resistance to the Mughal authority in context of Rajasthan. In this term, we studied about important ruler of Rajasthan like as Rao Shekha, Hamir Dev Chauhan, Maharana Pratap, Chandra Sen, Rai Singh of Bikaner, Amar Singh Rathod, and Swai Jai Singh. All these, all these were contemporary of Mughal emperors. So today we are discussed about the Rao Shekha. Rao Shekha. Rao Shekha is the son of Rao Mokkal. Rao Shekha was the Rao, son of Rao Mokkal. Rao Mokkal was the ruler of Rao Mokkal was the ruler of Nan. Nan is a provinces or riyasat under the Amir, which was under the Amir states. His mother's name was Rani Nirvan. Father's name Rao Mokal and mother's name Rani Nirvan. Rani Nirvan means Rao Shekha is the son of Rao Mokal and Rani Nirvan. Maharaj Shekha was born on 24 September 1433 AD. And at the age of 12, at the age of 12 years, he succeeded his father Rao Mokal in 1445, and he was granted a title of Marao by Raja Udaykaran. He granted a title of Maharao by ruler of Amir Udaykaran of Amir. Udaykaran was the ruler of Amir, and Udaykaran was the son of Raja Bharman. His first successful campaigns of Shekha were the surprise attack and subsequent victories over Multan, Sevar, and Sankla Rajput of Nagar Chal. He got victory over Multan, Sevar, and on the Sankla Rajput of Nagar Chal. in from 1473 to 1477, between 4 years, and with the help of Panni Pathan, he got victory over Dadri, present in Haryana, Dadri from Nopsing, Bhiwani from Nopsing Jatu, full name Nopsing Jatu, Bhiwani from Jatu Rajput, Asi from Ikhtar Khan, and Isar from Heda Khan Kayam Khani, Heda Khan Kayam Khani, and extend his boundaries in 1449. In 1449, Rao Shekha made Amritsar. Amritsar is a place in Jaipur. Made his capital. In 1449, Amritsar was made his capital. Amritsar was present in Jaipur, and where he built a temple of Bhagwan Jagdish or Lord Jagdish, and in 1477 he built a fort named Sikhargarh Fort. In 1477 he built a fort named Sikhargarh Fort. Sikhargarh Fort is also present in Jaipur. First, Rao Shekha rule in Nan area of Amer Estate. He died. Rao Shekha died in Ralauta. In 1488, and his cenotaph is made here. Rao Shekha fought 52 battles in his life. He is the founder and centers of Shekhawat sub-clan of Jaipur Kachwaha dynasty. Means Rao Shekha was the founder of Shekhawat clan. Shekhawat clan is the sub-clan of Kachwaha dynasty. Kachwaha dynasty rule on Amer region, Amer Estate, and he was the founder of Shekhawat clan. Shekhawat clan. He also established the Shekhawati region. Shekhawati region, Sikar, Churu, Jhunjhunu, is This region is known as Shekhawati region. Shekhawati region was also settled, established or populated by Rao Shekha. One of most Shekhawat sub-clan of Kachwa dynasty was founded by Rao Shekha. His wife named Ganga Kumari built a temple of Kalyanji at the main gate of Amritsar fort. His name of his wife Ganga Kumari. Ganga Kumari. Ganga Kumari built a temple of Kalyanji. Kalyanji at the main gate of Amritsar fort. Amritsar fort. So this is about the Rao Shekha. So we see again about detail about Rao Shekha. Rao Shekha ruled from 1445 AD to 1488 AD. Maharao Shekha was born on 24 September 1433 AD. His father name was Rao Mokal and his mother name was Rani Nirvan. Rao Mokal was the ruler of Nan. Rao Mokal was the ruler of Nan, which was under the Amer state. Amer state. At the age of 12 years, he succeeded his father in 1445. Udaykaran, the ruler of Amer. Udaykaran, the ruler of Amer, gave the title of Maharao to Rao Shekha. Before the gaining Maharao title of Maharao, Rao Shekha known as Rao Shekha. After the Udaykaran, he is known as Maharao Shekha. At the age of 16 years, he successfully carried out the sudden attack of Sankla Rajput of Nagarchal, Sultan and Sevar. In the age of 16 years, when he was 16-year-old, he suddenly attacked on Sankla Rajput of Nagarchal, Multan and Sevar. From 1473 to 1477 AD, with the help of Panni Pathan, he won the Dadri from Nob Singh Jatu, Bhiwani from Jatu Rajput, Hasi from Ikhtar Khan, and Isar from Heda Khan Kayam Khani. These Dadri, Hasi, Bhiwani, Isar, all the state is present now in Haryana state. He made Amritsar his capital in 1449. He made a temple of Lord Jagdish in Amritsar fort. He made the fort of Sikhargarh. Sikhargarh was present now Sikhargarh is present now Jaipur. He died in Ralauta in 1488, where he Chhatri means cenotaph in the memorial of Rao Shekha has been built in his memory. He fought 52 battles in his entire life. He is the founder and center of Shekhawat sub-clan of Jaipur Kachwaha dynasty. His wife named Ganga Kumari built the temple of Kalyanji at the main gate of Amritsar fort. Amritsar fort also built by Rao Shekha, and where Kalyanji temple built at the main gate of Amritsar fort by his wife named Ganga Kumari. So in Next ruler we studied about Amir Dev Chauhan. Amir Dev Chauhan was the contemporary of Aurangzeb. Sorry, Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji. Amir Dev Chauhan was the great ruler of Chauhan dynasty of Ranthambore. Amir Dev Chauhan. Before the Amir Dev Chauhan, his father named Jatra Singh ruled on Ranthambore. Jatra Singh appointed his younger son Hamir as his successor, and his coronation took place in 1282 AD. First, I told you some basic about Amir Dev and some basic about the history of Ranthambore. And we know the history of Ranthambore from the three great epic. First Hamir Mahakavya. Hamir Mahakavya या Hamir epic wrote by Nayan Chandra Suri. Nayan Chandra Suri. Second sources to know the history of Ranthambore, Hamir Hatt. Hamir Hatt. Amir Hatt was wrote by Chandra Shekhar. Chandra Shekhar. Third, Hamir Raso. Hamir Raso. Hamir Raso wrote by Jodraj. Jodraj. All these three epics is the source of history of Ranthambore. Hamir Mahakavya written by Nayan Chandra Suri. Hamir Hatt written by Chandrasekhar, and Hamir Raso by Jodraj. Ranthambore Fort. Ranthambore Fort was built by Chauhan rulers, and it lie within the Ranthambore National Park near the Swai Madhopur. Ranthambore Fort. Ranthambore Fort. Ranthambore Fort lies within the Ranthambore National Park. Near the Savai Madhopur. Savai Madhopur is the district of Rajasthan. And you know, Ranthambore National Park is famous for tiger. And Ranthambore Fort lies within Ranthambore National Park. And a widely held belief state that the fort was built by the reign of Sapaldaks. Means Ranthambore Fort. It is an states or belief that the fort was built by the reign of Sapaldaks. The Ranthambore Fort built by the reign of Sapaldaks in 944 CE. Means Ranthambore Fort was built in 944 AD by Sapldux. After the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan in 1992 C, the fort come under the control of Muhammad Ghori. We know the first battle of Tarain was fought between Muhammad Ghori and Prithviraj Chauhan. First battle of Tarain fought in 1191. In this battle, Prithviraj defeated Muhammad Ghori. And in the second battle, 1192, second battle of Tarain, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. After the defeating of Prithviraj Chauhan in second battle of Panipat in 1192, the Ranthambore fort come under the control of Muhammad Ghori. Prithviraj Chauhan, Prithviraj son name Govind Raj fourth. Prithviraj son Govind Raj fourth accept the sovereignty of Muhammad Ghori and ruled Ranthambore as his vassal. Vassals means as a putpet. The Ranthambore fort is counted in the World Heritage Site. The Delhi Sultan Iltutmish conquered Ranthambore in 1226 AD, but Chauhan recaptured it after his death in 1236 AD. Slave rulers. The ruler of Delhi Sultanate named Iltutmish captured the Ranthambore fort in 1226 AD, but the Chauhan recaptured it in 1236 AD. The armies of Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud, led by the future Sultan Balban, unsuccessfully besieged the fortress in 1248 and 1253. Means after the Iltutmish the Razia Sultan became the ruler. After Iltutmish, his son Firoz Khan. After Firoz Khan, Razia Sultan. After Razia Sultan, Mahmud Shah, and the last ruler of slave dynasty was Nasiruddin Mahmud. And Balban successfully besieged attack on the Ranthambore fort in 1248 AD and 1253 AD. But it again captured from Jatra Singh Chauhan in 1259 AD. Jatra Singh by Jatra Singh. Jatra Singh was the father of Amir Dev Chauhan. Means in 1226 he captured by Iltutmish, and again he recaptured by Chauhan ruler in 1236 AD. After that, Nasiruddin Mahmud and Balban capture it 1248 and 1253. In 1259, Jatra Singh Chauhan recaptured Ranthambore fort and established a dynasty named Chauhan dynasty. Shaktidev succeeded Jatra Singh in 1283 AD and recaptured Ranthambore fort and enlarged the kingdoms. So first we know about the ruler of Chauhan ruler of Ranthambore. First, Govindraj fourth. Govindraj fourth was the son of Prithviraj Chauhan. Second, Balhan Dev. Balhan Dev या Balhan. After that, Prahlad. After the Veer Narayan. Veer Narayan. After Bagbat. Jatra Singh and Hamir Dev. All these were the ruler of Chauhan of Ranthambore. So in next video we studied about Hamir Dev Chauhan. So I hope you understand the basic detail about Ranthambore or about the Chauhan rulers and how is Chauhan dynasty established on Ranthambore. So in next video we studied about Amir Dev Chauhan in the details. Thanks. Have a nice day.